What's up, guys? Nerf mods for the win here, and just made a new gun, or worked on a new gun, didn't make it. Sorry. Cheerios and peanut butter. God's food. Okay. Sorry about that. But my birthday is on September 17th, which means my half birthday is St. Patrick's Day, and because of that reason, I've always liked St. Patrick's Day. It's my half birthday, so everyone will be like, it's St. Patrick's Day. I'll just be like, no, it's my half birthday. And I'm like, what the? I think I'm like drunk, but okay. So I made a gun to represent that, because that's a favorite holiday of mine. But the gun is a Maverick that I acquired from a trade with my friend. At school, I've been doing contracts, and I've made like $210 from doing that at school. So, yeah, but not the point. The point is this. This, like I said, is a Nerf Maverick that I got from a trade with my friend. I traded him a recon barrel and a long shot scope. Well, he doesn't like modding. He has something, well, he does mods, but as long as they don't affect the performance. So when he gave me this Maverick, all it had was Russian roulette. He didn't even take out the air restrictors. I know. But back to the point. So what I did was the barrel, he like snapped this one piece, so it wasn't even working for him. That's why he created it for such like small things. So I decided I might as well just single it. This is a different kind of single than I normally see. I normally see people like the branch that holds the revolving barrel. They cut it like from here and here, but this, like, if you can imagine this, it's like here, and then there's a little towering down. It's like that. So this air seal is pretty good. I'm not going to shoot it, just take my word when I actually shoot it with a dart. No, I meant like I wasn't going to dry fire it with my finger there. But I have a dart in there. It's getting ranges of roughly about like, well, from seeing it shoot, I'm going to guess like 35 to 45. I know that's kind of a wide like variety, but it's consistent, I guess. As usual, I will be shooting at this weird butterfly up here. As you can see. Hopefully you saw that. But yeah, that's just what I made for St. Patrick's Day. I'm aware that this is still gray and this is still gray. This paint did not come out as well as I expected. It was hand paint, because I didn't have green spray paint, and I went to Home Depot. They didn't have any, so I had to use a green hand paint, which ended up not looking that well. As you can see, it just like, notice it's in person, it's much more noticeable, but I sanded the handle and the lever to pull it back just to make it just, I don't know, I just thought it looked better. And all in all, I like what I've done to this gun. This won't be a gun that I'm gonna like use in a war, but it's fun to have, and it looks pretty cool. The next video actually may not be a Nerf related video, or it may actually be about my modified Xbox 360 controllers. I think there was like a comment on a video that I said I was going to make a trade with one that said that they wanted to see something about my controllers. So